What's up, everybody? It's Tim, and I make videos of new Fords and Lincolns. Occasionally I'll throw in a used vehicle. Today we're doing a 2021 F-150 Lariat with the 501A package, FX4 3.5 EcoBoost. It's got the silver exterior, black interior with the chrome package. So there's a lot of options to go with this vehicle. So enjoy the video, y'all, and thank you for watching my videos, and I hope y'all enjoy. All right, everybody, so the exterior is iconic silver metallic. It does have the chrome package, so you can see the chrome bottom of the grille, chrome hooks in the front, chrome wheels, chrome badging on the side, chrome mirror caps, chrome door handles. Your step bars would be chrome. It's got a 145-inch wheelbase, 10-speed automatic transmission. You can see the bottom of the rear bumper is chrome as well. That's a little flashlight that they started this year. Your backup sensors, your tow package with your pigtails. See the FX4 badging on the side. About to get a good look at the tire. They are Pirellis, 275/60 R20, all-terrain. Does have the FX4 package, so that gives you the skid plates, the better shocks. So here comes your tailgate, and it actually does beep on the way down and on the way up. With the right package on a Lariat on up, it is powered down and powered up. On the XLT, you can get the option of it powered down. It also comes with the built-in workbench, the new tailgate work surface. Right there's the bottle cap opener. Got a cup holder, media holder, C-clamp pockets, dual rulers, utility tray, flat surface to work off of, LED lights in the bed of the truck. You got your power outlets there as well, spray and bed liner that we did here at the store, power sliding back window, and above that you can see the bed camera. There's your C-clamps. I think it's a really good design. It still has the same type of tailgate step, which I think was an excellent design as well. It's very, I think they engineered that real well. They made it simple. Here's your cabin space. You have the largest cabin of any truck. The back part of this seat folds down, and that's where your jack will be located. You have the option to get the lay flat center console. This one actually does not have it, but it does have the stowable shifter. It's got zone lighting, Sync 4. Everything's wireless now. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all that's wireless. It's got a larger screen. You also have Alexa now as well. See, that seat doesn't fold down. It's got the Ford Pass app where you can do everything from your phone. Those are your tie-down clamps for the bed of the truck. That's how you get the seats down when they're up. It's got the all-weather mats, power folding mirrors, power windows, power locks. It's all your lighting, your electronic parking brake. Ford's got 6 engines this year. 3.5 Power Boost full hybrid, the 3.0 Power Stroke turbo diesel, 3.5 EcoBoost with the twin turbos, which this one is, the 5.0 V8, 2.7 EcoBoost, and the 3.3 V6. That's the zone lighting. You can get up to 430 horsepower, 570 pounds of torque. We're best in class with 3,325 pounds of max available payload. You can see the 12-inch screen there is a split screen now. If you get the hybrid, you can get the generator in the bed of the truck. There's your trailer brake control, four-wheel drive, your different drive modes, push-button start, heated cooled seats, 110-volt outlet, USB ports. Button there opens up the compartment above the glove box. You do have an option for a wireless charger. It's going to be your stowable shifter. Comes with a 3-year 36 full bumper-to-bumper warranty, 5-year 60,000-mile powertrain warranty. Ford's going to pay for 6 months of satellite radio. Ford's going to pay for 5 years, 60,000 miles of roadside service. With this vehicle, it does have the digital dash with the speedometer. It's a 12-inch cluster. Got options this year with the F-150 for 17 different rims. This vehicle gets you an average of 18 miles per gallon because you're getting 20 and 23. Backing up there with the backup camera. It was a smooth ride, very comfortable, a lot of torque, a lot of power. It's built to tow. It had the Ford Copilot 360. Assist 2.0, so it's upgraded from the years prior. This one does have the trailer tow package. 20-inch chrome tires. It's got the 360 camera. Another cool feature, this one has a 36-gallon fuel tank. With the 501A package, you get the B&O sound system, the upgraded system. Front camera stays on, so you get about 6 or 7 miles per hour, then it turns off. Just going to show you where it has a little bit of power to it. If y'all don't mind, leave a comment. Let me know what you think of the 2021 F-150. You could also subscribe, hit like if you like seeing Fords and Lincolns. Having a little bit of chip shortage and inventory shortage just like everybody else, but we're figuring it out. So as you can see, it has a lot of torque. I mean, it's a really fast vehicle. Gets to 0 to 60 pretty fast. State-of-the-art command center on the interior. Got a redefined look this year. That's the 360 radar. You know, they just had the unveiling of the Lightning, the all-electric vehicle. That'll be really nice to see soon. Hopefully everything gets back to normal soon. You know, the Bronco will be coming out. Not the Bronco Sport, but the big Bronco. Mach-E, they're starting to deliver those retail to dealerships. We got one the other day. All right, y'all. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment, hit subscribe, and here's a cold start in the engine.